I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you diagnose a faceless channel that gets solid click-through rates but weak watch time on almost every upload? The short answer is that's usually not a packaging problem. It's a trust and delivery problem. Your title and thumbnail got the click. The video didn't cache the promise fast enough. Here's the diagnosis I'd use. First, promise match. In the first 15 seconds, does the video deliver exactly what the click implied? Or does it drift into backstory, branding, or a broad setup? If the title promises one thing, the opening needs to confirm that immediately. Second, first payoff speed. Look at the first 30 seconds of retention. If the drop is sharp, you probably have too much throat clearing. Open with outcome, stakes, and a quick roadmap. Don't make people wait to feel oriented. Third, pacing density. A lot of faceless channels sound and look flat even when the topic is good. Cut repeated points, shorten B-roll holds, and change the visual state when the idea changes. Not randomly, just enough to keep cognitive momentum. Fourth, trust breaks. Watch for overhyped hooks, vague claims, robotic voiceover, or visuals that don't match the script. High CTR and low watch time often means viewers feel sold before they feel helped. My rule is simple. If CTR is healthy across multiple uploads, stop obsessing over packaging first. Audit the handoff from title to opening to first payoff. If you're doing that across a lot of videos, Satura is useful as the workflow layer to track those retention failure patterns systematically. Start with promise, then payoff, then pacing, then trust. That's usually where the real fix is.